Okay, hello everybody. We are going to learn how to create a JClic activity on our Moodle. Okay, so first thing is I activate edition here in my Moodle, the Moodle where I'm a teacher. I'm ready here, and I'm going to look for the JClic activity first. I'm not going to create. I'm going to use an activity that is already created. Okay, I don't have time this week, and I need something for my students to practice. And I know there is this big repository of packages, of activity packages called JClic. So I go to Google and I Google JClic, and the first option that appears is this library of JClic activities. And I want my students to practice something in English, and I want it to be something related to chores maybe, or routines, daily activities. So let's search. Sometimes there is nothing. We have to look for something else. Routines, for example. Okay, daily routines. Here we are. Maybe if I change to Spanish, I would get something like sometimes it's not well indexed. No, definitely not. So English, we're going to look for daily routines, or daily routines. Here we are, and we have two options. Let's check. We can check the first option, check how it looks, and here it is. So I have daily routines. Okay, so there is first a review of the vocabulary, just the vocabulary I'm seeing, just the vocabulary I'm seeing with them, and then some matching activities. So this looks like just the package I want, so I close it and let's use it. So what do? I click on it and I go to the share option, and of the many options, the many links that I have, I don't want a simple link that goes to the library. What I want is the Moodle links. I want to copy this Moodle link. Okay, I go back to my course, I add an activity or resource. Of the different possibilities that I'm offered, I choose the JClic one. I add. Okay, typical Moodle form. So my name, in this case, it's going to be called daily routine. Daily routine activities. There's no need for a description because it is described in the package. And I'm going to, instead of uploading something, I haven't downloaded anything, so I can't use it. I'm going to use the external URL. I paste the URL that I just copied. I can, as usual, put the time. I'm not, because it is practice. I can put directly a grade. Yes, I'm going to put it directly in my virtual workbook. They can do it as many times as they want. I want it to be obviously in English. Okay, activity completion. Yes, I want my students to get a tick when they receive a grade, and I save. And my activity is created. Of course, as I'm the teacher, what I'm going to have here is the link to the results of my students. If I want to check that the activity is okay, I click on my name here. I switch the role to student, and of course it's going to tell me that I cannot get into the grades, but I can see the activity. So here is my activity. Exactly the same that we saw in the library, but now part of my Moodle. If students do it, I will get a report of the minutes they spent doing it, how many activities they have done, what mark they got, and so on. Very simple to create, as you can see, a package activity on using JClic links in my Moodle. Here it is, daily routine. Quite simple.